Let's do a follow-up on the stock that I talked about in the weekend video. Today is May 15, 2013, and the stock that I will cover in this video is Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix, BlackBerry, and ANGI's list. Then at the end, I will take out ANGI's list and replace it with Goldman Sachs. And right now, let's take a look at Apple. The Apple is pulling back, and it failed to find support down here at this 439 area. That was one of the price target on a swing long coming up at this 419, 420 area. Right now it seems like it might be coming back down to retest this 419, 420 area. And I wouldn't be surprised if it might tag this, the 38.2 fit retracement level somewhere around this 416. And the other thing that I want to mention here is that, as you recall, there was a $60 billion stock repurchasing program Apple have announced since the last earning, which is somewhere around here when they reported earning, and this is the day after. And my guess is with that repurchase program, it probably would not get below this 384 level here, or I believe this is 384. Let me see what it is. Yeah, it's 385.10. That's the low for this particular day here, 419. And my guess is it will be somewhere around maybe the 405, 400, 405 level, somewhere around this area here. I would suspect it might kick in the trigger for Apple to come in and repurchase some of their stock. Now, you never know. It could be finding support here. The market might just bring it down here to this, 419, 418 area, and kind of hold it, maybe, and then tag it and come back up for the OPEX this Friday. But you never know. Anything is possible. But I'd be interested to see how low will the market let it fall, and to test Apple's trigger level. So that's basically what we're looking at. I'm sure that we're going to get a bounce somewhere up here, and then probably see what did bring it back up and move it above the 470 and possibly tag this 484, 485 for the next swing long. So right now I'm just going to keep an eye on Apple. I don't have a position on it right now, to just wait for the next setup and also find out where that floor might be. And the next one is Google. As I mentioned, Google, that 900 target for quite a while, and essentially basically it's just using the Fibonacci retracement tool and play the swing up here to get a projection of 900 at that 127. Right now it went right to it today, so probably seeing it trying to tag this 141 level here at 928. So that's basically what I'm looking at Google here. And then with Amazon is still, trending up to this upper level here on this trading band here. So I have no position on this still. As there's no good swing long setup here. Unless you want to day trade, you could day trade it and try to trade up to this 277, 278. And Netflix is continue to move upward, and we also talked about this 240 level, this Fed level here, and today it moved above that 240. So most likely you're probably looking at the next target somewhere around this 258, 260 level here, and certainly with this little fake out here, really trapped the short. And if the short haven't been covering, then I think they are in a big heap of pain right now, if this thing continues to move up. So then we also have BlackBerry. And BlackBerry, I was looking for the breakout of the 1650. Right now it still seems to be trading within this this wedge here, and sort of finding some support at this 50-day moving average. It could come down to this 14 level and tag this lower support line here, this trend line here on this wedge before it bounces off, or it might be just do a little consolidation here and get back above the 20 EMA and ride that thing up and try to break this 1650 pivot level to move up possibly to this 1830. And finally, ANGI's list. I was trading ANGI's list, and today it's kind of printed a little reversal candle here. So I kind of took my profit and closed out the position after I see this little candle. This doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be reversing in trend. It's just that it's just indicating that at least for today, that the bear seems to have control of this stock than the bull. You see the bull run it up, and it just seems like there's some exhaustive buying here. So all the buyer just got in, and there's no more buyer, and the seller just sold it down. So when it closed negative and also start printing this little what we call a either you call it an inverted hammer or greystone doji, that sort of thing. It's a it have to be take caution here. So definitely I don't want to see my profit disappear if tomorrow it open maybe gap down or something like that. So basically I'm closing out this position, and I'm not looking for any sort of setup to continue this trade. And the one that I'm looking at is the Goldman Sachs. You see Goldman Sachs is actually broken out of this level here, this 151, and it appears that it's gonna again come up. It's going to come up and seems to be tagging this 170. Okay, this 170 76 back on in play right now, because if I have this Fibonacci retracement here, and that will tag this guy up here at the 141. And also if you look at this as a low bull flag, and if we move this major move here, then you could also see that it could get up to this 182 level. So but right now I'm basically just looking at this Fibonacci retracement and tag this 127 and 141. So that put this 177 back in play. So that's the review and the follow-up of the stock. So good luck with your trading for the rest.